Investing in liquid funds online is a straightforward process that offers relatively low risk and reasonable returns. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a reliable platform. Select a trusted online investment platform or website that offers liquid funds. It could be a mutual fund company's official website, a financial services platform, or a mobile app. Account creation. If you're not already registered, sign up and create an account on the chosen platform. Provide necessary details, including your KYC information. Research. Explore the available liquid funds. Look at their past performance, expense ratios, and any associated fees. Select a fund. Choose a liquid fund that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest in the liquid fund. Some platforms might have minimum investment requirements. Payment. Link your bank account to your investment account. You can transfer the desired investment amount electronically through net banking or other available payment methods. Purchase. Once the funds are transferred, use the platform's interface to purchase units of the selected liquid fund. Confirmation. You will receive a confirmation of your investment. The purchased units will reflect in your investment account. Monitor. Keep an eye on your investment. Liquid funds typically provide quick and easy access to your money, making them suitable for short-term needs. Redemption. When you need to withdraw funds, you can place a redemption request through the platform. The money is usually credited to your linked bank account within a short period. Tax implications. Understand the tax implications of your investment. While liquid funds are relatively tax efficient, there might be short-term capital gains tax if you redeem units before a specified period. Remember to conduct thorough research, compare different funds, and choose a reliable platform for your online liquid fund investment.